Hey everyone, in this video, I'll share with you how do I grind 15 hours every single day and how will you be able to grind 15 hours as well. If you are struggling with focusing, time management, this video is for you. So basically, I think if you follow me, so I show you I, 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 I saw the people how I grind 15 hours, how I push myself. So today I'm just share with you guys my work ethic. And so I start with my recent week, that is uh, 22 22 December to 28 December, and now the today's date is 29/12/25. So this week I aim for 100 hours. That's pretty much, and I achieve almost 90 hours on an average 12.8 hours a day. But my previous week was almost 93.3 hours, which was on an average 13.3 hours. That's insane. It seems insane, but it's not, because my target is achieving 100 hours, which means every single day 14 hours, right? And the reason is, why do you need time management? Or because guys, when you have big goals, you have to break them down as small as you can. And if you are from nothing, which means you have two only things: your brain, your time. You have to optimize these two things. So you have to distribute your energy, your time, to where it matters most. So I think if you follow me, so I show you how I push myself through workout, self-talk, right? So and last 20 months, I just locked myself in a room, and I'm learning, coding, video editing, marketing, or entrepreneurship. And because I have economics background, so I drop out from my master degree, and then I'm learning. And nowadays I can build any project, any app with any framework. And even I so you can see my goals. So this week I just I decided, okay, building apps, working project, DSA logic, TypeScript, Next.js, making short video, talking, and researching, and also working out. Because when you are alone on the journey, I think loneliness kill your potential. So you have to, I found I found to stabilize the dopamine through workout. So yeah, so that's why I put every single day almost 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not gonna tell you have to put every single 30 minutes. You can't consistent every single day. So you have to go from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Then you have to push every single day, because you are just building brain algorithm. I call it's a brain algorithm. So and today's my plan is almost 15 hours. So I sleep almost 1:30 a.m, and I just start 9:20 9:20 a.m. I just slept almost 7.5 hours, and yesterday I just sleep 7 hours. And yeah, so this is my grind, a deep focus time. So almost 15 hours. So yeah, so you have to break them down, your goals, weekly, monthly. And like I show you my monthly, this my month, my I just set up started the this is my goals, that is creating project, or recording my tutorial, and then planning next project, and then practicing TypeScript, Next.js, making video, and researching and working out. So this is my next January plan. This is the January plans. And if you look at, and so I'll show you, and this is the January plans. And if you look at my December plans, I were able to achieve 380 hours. This is my total grind, and this was my plan, and I execute. and like building project, upload videos, learning new technology. So guys, nowadays I almost learn every framework, and now it's time to build. And if you follow me, I'm building my startup from nothing, and I don't have a team or any mentors. Just I'm just learning, building, and showing you guys. So it's not about motivation, it's about showing the grind, how we can execute, because I feel like this world is full of a distraction. So I hope this stuff um, will help you out. And it's all about executing. So you have to create your brain algorithm as, yeah, as much as you can. So I hope this video will help you out. Thank you so much.